Why do you do this to me?
Now it's sideways again.
I think we're good. Are you ready? I gotta pick my wedgie first. You wanna do my intro?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your mom gay. Welcome back to my channel. Hi. Hi sisters. James Charles here, back with another video. Hi guys,
Okay,
welcome back
weird.
to my channel.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome. You're eating chips. Oh my god.
When am I not eating chips?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Avery.
What's up?
One more time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Avery. She, if you remember, if you're an OG of my channel, I mentioned her. She was flattered.
You're so white.
And I
You
was
just said OG. I was the little boy in the show.
You mean the little fish?
The fish was male, so the little boy fish. The little boy fish.
I was Arrow, and we had to be best friends in the show, and then we became
And I hated her,
best
so
friends
that's how this happened.
out of the show.
What are we doing today?
So today,
We're eating. ASMR, guys.
I did I eat? You're eating.
Some.
I'm having an apple in my mouth. So today, wait.
Please finish that bite. Today, we're doing the whisper challenge.
That's right. I'm not.
That's right. But she's not lying. That is what we're doing.
Yeah, so today we're doing the whisper challenge. I have my headphones. Hold on. Avery, this is Avery.
Avery, this is Avery. Glad I know my name now. Let's go.
Do you want to go first or should I go first? You want to
Uh,
go first? Okay.
No, turn it all the way up.
Okay, it's all the way up.
Mm,
All the way up. All the way up.
that looks like a potato.
My apple. None of my closest friends even have hands. All right. I'm not great at the advice. Can I trust you in this?
I got absolutely none of that. This is what I saw.
Heck? I'm not great at the advice.
I'm not going to see Christ.
I'm not great at the advice.
I'm not great at advice.
At the advice.
At the advice.
Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment?
But can I interest you in a sarcastic comment?
Yeah.
I've seen that before. Is that from Friends?
Yes, it's from Friends. It's Chandler. Okay.
You don't want to listen to Mean Girls? I don't understand. What? Why don't you want to listen to Mean Girls?
Are you talking?
Yes! It's cheating. It's not that loud.
What?
I can say whatever I want to and she'll never know. Madison poops her pants.
Okay, ready?
Madison smells like poo.
Madison smells like poo.
Yeah!
That was easy.
Alright,
Do another one.
I'll do another one. America should really invest in more motorcycles. America should really invest.
Wait. America is really funny.
No. America
America?
should really.
Do you really?
Should really.
Do you really?
Sh burped. Should. Should really.
I wasn't watching.
Should.
America?
America should
really
invest
invest
in more motorcycles.
What?
Motorcycles.
Motorcycles.
America should
really invest in more motorcycles.
Yeah.
I am probably talking so loud. Oh my gosh.
America
I was just doing that.
I was just doing that.
Frankie likes to bite my toes and fingers.
Frankie likes to bite my toes and fingers.
Yeah, that was easy too. Do you sing while you pee?
Do you sleep where you pee?
No. Do you?
Do-do.
Do you
Do you
sing
sing
while you
when you pee? Yeah. I mean, don't you? What word do you use to describe biting into a French fry?
All I saw was.
What word do you use?
What were you doing?
What word do you
What?
use?
Learn you doing?
What
What?
word?
Word?
Word
Word? What word
do you use
do you use
to describe
to describe
biting?
my?
Biting. Bite. Biting.
Wait, what word do you use to describe
Biting
biting
into a French fry.
in front of your dad? Biting what?
Into a French fry. What word do you use?
Don't talk louder! What word do you use to describe biting
Into a French fry.
in your French fries? Your into your
a-
French fry.
A French fry.
French fries. French fry? Is there more?
Into
Into
a French fry.
your French fries.
A French fry.
In French fries. What the heck? What am I missing here?
Biting.
What?
Biting into a French fry. You were like, your French fry. Mine. Into a French fry.
Oh my gosh. Scoot down a little more. That's you. Okay. Tell me more about how you like to boogie.
Tell me more about how you like to pudding.
How did you get that so well?
Was it pudding?
No.
I didn't get the last word, so I thought it was pudding.
Boogie, 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 boogie,
Tell me more about how you like to breathe.
boogie.
Boogie.
Yeah. Dang! My pen pal name is Pickle Burns Doo-doo.
You named your pee-pee? My pee-pee's name is Pickle Pow Doo-doo.
Try again.
Okay.
My pen pal. My pen pal.
Ping ball.
Pen pal.
Pitbull.
Pen pal. Pen pal. Pen pal. My pen pal.
My
pen.
my pins.
Oh, close, close.
My pins close.
No. My pen pal's name.
My pin
Pal.
Paul.
My pen pal.
My pin pal.
My pen pal's name.
My pin pal's fame
Name
is
is Pickle Burns.
Pickle sperm.
Close, but no. Pickle Burns.
Pickle berm. Zzz.
What was the last part? Oh,
Doo doo.
poo poo.
Poo poo. My pen pal's name is Pickle Berm's Doo Doo. Poo poo. Poo poo.
My brother used to have, when he was a kid, he had a imaginary friend named Pickle Burns. So that's why I thought of it. Ha. Why did this happen?
I just did it, you know?
Ah! Do like one more.
Alright, we'll do you one more time.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
what she said. Does that feel good? Oh.
Does that feel good?
Oh.
Some peanut butter O. Ah! My foot's asleep! Ah!
That one wasn't good. It was. I did the peanut butter baby when she goes, does that feel good? And he goes, oh. That was what I did.
Your mouth was so tiny, like, oh.
I haven't said any words yet. I want to grow up to be 1,056 years young.
This is really long.
I want
to grow up
to be
1,000 years old.
56.
1,057 years old.
56.
1,056 years old.
Years young.
Years young.
Yeah.
I did it!
She said it.
This music is something else. Oh!
I will
Oh! Okay, thank you for watching. Wait, you should say something. You should be like, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Smash that like button.
Oh my gosh.
Just kidding. Please don't. Just lightly tap.
I'll say, thank you for watching, guys. And you'll say,
Your mom
don't
gay.
forget to like and
That's it.
subscribe. And then we'll be like, bye. Thanks for watching.
Tune in next Friday to see a video. Another video.
Okay. Okay, love you. Bye. Bye. I hate everything.
You said can't let me bye. Yeah.
Okay, we're done with that.